an installation for a conference room, and then I needed a way to connect the laptop to the projector without using an ordinary HDMI cable. So I decided to order this IOGEAR wireless HDMI transmitter. Apparently it's supposed to be able to transmit the signal from the laptop to the projector without using any cable. So today I'm going to unbox that. It's called IOGEAR wireless transmitter and receiver kit with HDMI connection. So I'm going to unbox this now. Now it's here, so it comes with this how do I open this? Okay, this way. Okay, stop, read this first. Read me first. Okay, and then some cables and things like that. You have some power cables. Okay, this I think is okay. So wireless 5x2 HD matrix receiver. Yeah, so this is the receiver. This is the receiver, and also okay. So I think this is a transmitter, and then the transmitter will go into the laptop this way. Find an HDMI socket, goes into the laptop this way. Yeah, so transmitter. Okay, so it comes with just a transmitter, one transmitter, and then one receiver. In the box we have a nice HDMI cable too inside. Nice HDMI cable, and then the power, another power supply. Why are there two? Okay, there are two power supplies. I think maybe one for this and one for that. But usually what I think I want to do is that I might want to use a smaller, yes, this one. Okay, so this is a small, yes. So to power it, I would rather power it from the laptop, because I don't know how I'm going to power this to power the receiver. But as for the receiver, I can power it with this one, but with the transmitter, I'll connect it to the laptop, and then I'll get power from the laptop. Okay, what else is inside this box? Okay, we have some AAA batteries, and then a remote control. So wireless HDMI 5x2 mattress, IOGEAR. Yes, I hope it works well. So I'll be back in, I think, in about a week or two after using it to give you a full review. Remember to subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon to get notifications for all our new uploads. Thank you.